Hey guys, this is Juan with another tutorial. This is something that happens very frequent to me. That you're working in Photoshop and then all of a sudden you don't have a toolbar on the left. Sometimes you lose the layers screen, and this is a simple way to actually reactivate it. The first easy way is through the window tab. If you go to window, you're gonna see layers. You can just select it here and you can just re-add it over here, and there you go. You have all your layers back. How about the toolbar? The toolbar, you can do the same thing, but there's another way where you can have your workplace. There's this default workspaces in Photoshop, and if you click on reset, it will display the name of your workspace. If you click it, then you will get back whatever default layout you had. Then the toolbar is here, the layers are here. I don't need this library thing, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. And there you go, that's it. Hope it helps you guys, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.